Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 19th of September 2025, we are bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, this video is the combined team of the Musa and Asade guys who went to location where Gentle was staying. Although so many newscasters are already telling us that Gentle has been buyed, including Angel Makeup, but the fact still remains that there is no evidence yet to back it up, because all the people that has been dishing out this news, none of them has shown us a video nor a picture that proves that Gentle has been buyed or that Gentle has been captured, including Angel Makeup, because according to them, they say that Angel Makeup is also among the people that have been buyed by the Musa boys and Asade guys. But this video is how the combined team went for Gentle. They were able to discover this CCTV mounted by the Biafra Liberation Army. So at the end of this clip, you can see where they were shooting at that camera, so that they can be able to destroy the camera. Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
When your men are good to go, Bamosa, oh, boy, or your boy, you be MacGyver. Pale, you whiskey me dara, Okana Pata, Tango 7. Let me close range, go the whiskey me, blue, put the whiskey. Babaja, the idiot, ishi. Believe. La church, the empire, we are Mogays to go more. Pioneer, or we gonna pull out and she, Moisa. Man.
So in this video, guys, see exactly how the Biafra Liberation Army are fighting back.
So to akonode, ndị na-achọ Biafra, you people have started celebrating the death of Gentle. You people are boldly, widely, openly celebrating that Gentle died. One question is this: what has Gentle done to you? How has Gentle stopped you from getting your freedom? Shame to all of you. All of you! Ndị shemahawo mmadụ. Ndị Igbo si na ọ dịkata ka ihe mmemme mmadụ anwụna. Ọ dịkwa mma. I have seen some people I thought were looking for Biafra truly, gloating that Gentle died, celebrating Gentle down. More, you are protecting your land, right? Have Gentle in any way come out to say you will not protect your land? Have Gentle in any way by any means say you will not fight for Biafra? Shame to all of you. Shame!
So Biafrans, Ugo 247 is mocking the people that are celebrating the news that Gentle has been buyed. He is telling them, "Not so on a be. So you guys are celebrating the death of Gentle the Yahoo when you have not even gotten any concrete information, evidence that Gentle has been buried." No, he is not happy with some Igbos. The fact remains that n'ọkwa anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo bụ ihe na-eme onwe anyị. Ịghọtara? Anyị bụ ndị Igbo bụ ihe na-eme onwe anyị, because all these things that is going on, even if they buy Gentle, even if they buy NJ Makeup, even if they buy all the Biafran Liberation Army, the fact remains that Biafra has come to stay. Only God knows when the time of this Biafra is going to be into full existence. But we are not in any way in support of anybody that is using the name of Biafra to do anything that is against the law and definition of Biafra.
So, kedu ka nsi ga-ebelieve na-ejidogo Gentle the Yahoo? Kedu ka nsi ga-ebelieve ihe a? Ebe unu emegho video concerning Gentle, just kwuo na ndị amị ekwugo na ejidogo Gentle. Ebe Gentle nwugoro iyi si, "You people cannot catch me." And emeghe ebe egochiri handcuff, enweghị ebe egochiri anything. I don't believe that thing. I believe him here na-ekwu. I believe him here. Because before una na-eweta any information, do no sure una eweta proof mmadụ ga-eji kweta ihe a unu na-akọ. Ihe anụnwa efesasigo mba niile kịta na-ejidogo nwa amadi ya, mana enweghị ihe unu vidio unu tiri mmadụ ga-eji kweta. Amabeghị m ihe a na-ekwu eziokwu ka okwu wa.
They are fighting back seriously, revenging on the Biafran soldiers that has been buried or captured. So Ugo 247 has a lot to say concerning this issue that is trending right now. The issue of NJ Makeup, the issue of Gentle the Yahoo, the Okigwe and the Imo Aziz entirely. Listen carefully to Ugo 247 to the end of this video.
Enemy to your household. I said this to the DOS when they began to collaborate with the zoo politicians, claiming they want to free Master Nnamdi Kanu. Till today, look at the situation of Nnamdi Kanu. Today, even till now, they are still praying that the news become true, that Gentle dies. But my question is this, my people, my enemies, if Gentle die, what will you benefit? Only you people, Igbos, are the ones that celebrate the downfall of your own family members. Must everybody ally to you? Must everybody fall to you? Must everybody come behind you? Go to social media everywhere. They are celebrating. Oh, Gentle down. Oh, you are protecting your state. Have Gentle ever stopped you from protecting your state? Is Gentle the roadblocks in Biafra land? How many roadblocks is Gentle mountain or mounted as he mounted? How many roadblocks, how many army roadblocks? In Biafra land, you have Navy roadblock, you have Air Force roadblock, you have Army roadblock, you have Police roadblock, you have DSS roadblock, you have, what is the other one that wear blue something? Civil servant or civil service roadblock. You have immigration roadblock. Only in Biafra land, you have custom roadblock. Is Gentle the architect of any of them? Is Gentle architect to any of all these roadblocks? they extort you from morning to night. Is gentle or butuzo the people that extort you? All of you that are celebrating, hey, gentle die, gentle die. No, nah, go finish before gentle. Watch and see, because these have exposed you people. Ndị Igbo si na dinta gbuo nkịta yali ogbuo nkịta ọhụrụ n'ọhịa ogbugo onye otu ya. Oshotuko one. All of you that are rounding up, ganging up, going to and fro, poke-nosing here and there, to see that you kill gentle, you kill butuzo, you buy gentle, you buy butuzo. I want to ask you a question. Are they your problem? Look at what ndi na-egbusi unu, ndi na-egbu unu, na-celebrate, na ya bụ ime amnesty, efukwara ihe oyi, efukwara ngwa ọgụ juru ya ahụ, ọ bịakwa ime amnesty. Ha na-celebrate. You are there. All your problem is to bring down your family members, to kill gentle, to stop Simon Eba, to do this one. You know the shame. How long will you continue in this foolishness? How long? Why won't you wake up? At least if you know you cannot stand on the truth, walk away. You must not speak. You must not write. Only Igbos are the ones that celebrate the pain, the agony, the suffering, the death, the fall of their own people. Even if gentle is your enemy, and you hear say, in don't fall, must you celebrate? Must you celebrate? You no go fall. One day you go poo. You go cool one day, you go by. Nobody pass life. Neither do anybody pass death. Now something you must go through one day. The same way you are going through life, you must go through death someday. And you never know when. Maybe as you are there celebrating, oh, gentle, die, gentle, you will fall. But thank God, you people are not God. All of you, you claim you are representing United States of Biafra. Onyenso, shame on you. You that I respect, Onyenso. And the rest of you that are hiding behind people's pictures and names in the WhatsApp groups, writing rubbish, celebrating. You are not asking yourself what you have achieved, other than to come and wait and pray that your own enemy eliminates your own brother, and you will celebrate, and you think you're a human being. It's only an idiot. Idiot of my herself. I'm a because even an animal will not rejoice when you fall in, brother. You no go gree rejoice. You go run. But your own, you hear say the people you call your enemy don't fall your brother. You they celebrate. You they pop champagne. You enter social media. You begin to write. Ngbanu. Because Nigeria news we know na lie. Nigeria news where we know na lie. Unu aga ejiwo obi egbu gentle aga anwụ. O aka gentle dị ọcha. Ọ pụtagodoro unu isisi unu na ọ bụrụ na aka ya dị ọcha. Na ọ bụrụ na eji obi ọcha achụ Biafra. Mana unu nwa niile, matanu na unu niile, igwe niile jije n'ụzọ. Matanu this one. Before, I have said it before. If you are truly looking for Biafra, find a way, devise a means of or strategy of actualizing Biafra, eliminating people, spying on people, sparking on people, collaborating with your enemy to destroy or to remove or to take down your own family members will not give you freedom. Remember, he who buys your brother from you will never trust you. At the end of the road, he will bring you down.
Thank you, fans. Thank you, everyone. We all love you. Please share this video, and let us interact in our comment section. Let there be peace in Biafran land, so that at the end of all these things, peacefully, we can get this Biafra. We all love you. Bye.